I was running up until age 58, and I enjoyed the strength of my legs in my youth and then even until that time. But troubles came, some arthritis in one leg and then the other, and I found myself unable to walk even at a normal pace. I was told by Dr. Silverstein that my knees were past their warranty. I underwent total knee replacement of the left knee in the beginning of March of 2021 and total knee replacement of the right knee. That was the beginning of March of 22. I'm sorry, the first one was November of 2021. Dr. Silverstein showed me x-rays, and it showed that there just wasn't enough cushioning material between the upper leg bone, the femur, and the lower leg bone, the tibia. So something needed to be done. I had some anxiety because you think you hear words that they pushed me so hard I was in tears, and it was not like that. I let them know if there was a challenge and I wasn't ready for it. And they gave me very practical advice, like a sharp pain is bad. A dull pain is probably just making progress. You just give it a challenge. So you're supposed to challenge that at home. It has been about 10 months since my first knee replacement surgery, and less than that, just several months since the March 1. I do not run, but I can get into a little bit of a jog. I do not walk rapidly, but it is a nice stroll each time. And now I can, unlike before, I can negotiate uneven ground. To me, I don't know how it could be more perfect.